Hello, my name is Sue Wilt, and I work for TIU 11, and currently I am working on the Distance Education Technical Assistant Grant and the Pennsylvania Distance Learning Project. In my work with the Distance Learning Project, I am constantly looking for ways to increase student engagement within the online learning environment. The asynchronous world is great for students who want to be able to learn based on their own time schedules, whether that means working on their lessons at 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. However, for some, if they can build a stronger relationship with their instructors and other students, it may give them the encouragement as well as the extra motivation to pursue their educational goals. So today I'd like to give you a brief introduction into Hypothesis, which is a collaborative annotation tool. And one way to use Hypothesis is as an add-on to a learning management system. But first, let's look at a more eloquent definition of what Hypothesis is. So this is from their website, Make Reading Active, Visible, and Social. Are you interested in increasing student engagement, expanding reading comprehension, and building critical thinking in community and classes? Collaborative annotation makes reading active, visible, and social, enabling students to engage with their texts, teachers, ideas, and each other in a deeper, more meaningful ways. So again, I was attracted to this as a potential tool for increasing student engagement. So let's now go to the Canvas, which is the learning management system that I added Zoom into, or excuse me, added Hypothesis into. And so here we are in my Canvas course that I just created for this demonstration, and I have a few sample lessons. Now, one of the things I really like about Hypothesis is once it's added into the LMS, there's no separate login feature. Anyone who can get into this Canvas course will have access to using Hypothesis within this course. So what you'll find is I added several articles from websites as well as from PDFs. And the first one is Overcoming Math Anxiety. So this is an article, as it says, Overcoming Math Anxiety, 12 evidence-based tips that work. So the annotation that was done in this is by a student, Layla Wilt, who highlighted a text within the article that says, what's worse, math anxiety might not make sense. For example, even though a student knows how to solve equation X, anxiousness will cause them to freeze despite having the knowledge and knowing there's no reason to feel that way. So again, when Layla was reading this article, she highlighted it and made this comment. That's the way I feel. Whenever I see a letter instead of a number, I get really nervous. So as the instructor within this course, I responded, Layla, we will work on that feeling to make you feel more comfortable. So again, as Layla or any other student read through this article, they could highlight, make a private comment, private notes. It's like writing in the margins of a textbook, so their comments can be private, or if they choose the actual annotation option, then that can be shared. Other students can respond. It can become a threaded discussion. So another example that I created, let's take a look here. So this was a worksheet about adding fractions that have uncommon denominators. So again, somebody highlighted the 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. If I open up Hypothesis on this page, it was student Layla who questioned, are these factors or multiples? So I created a reply, Layla, these are multiples. Remember, you need to examine the multiples of the denominators to find a common one. So again, this is a way of interacting with the student. The student can actually create their comment any time of the day that they're working on lessons, and then I could follow up with the student. Another example, in this particular one, it was a math lesson, and it was about ratios and using recipes. And I highlighted Write sentences to describe the ratios or the shapes that make up this comment, or excuse me, make up this pattern. So the comment that I made was, remember, please write and complete sentences. So you can provide instructions, you can provide a prompt, or however you would like to use this. But again, it's a back and forth between you and students can just to increase engagement. Now, one more that I have to show you is a poem, The Road Not Taken. This one, there are no annotations, so I'm going to actually highlight the title. And I have a choice. Annotate, that means it's shared with everyone, or just highlight means it's strictly only going to be seen by me. So I'm going to make the comment that, let's see, I love this poem. And if I could type, it would be great. So I love this poem, and post it. And then anybody else who looks at this will see my comment. Maybe it'll generate other comments. So that was just a quick introduction into Hypothesis. In follow-up videos, I will show you I'll demonstrate how easy it is to add Hypothesis to an LMS, and also how to create assignments within it. So again, I hope you're interested in this and watch my other videos. Have a great day.